Okay, now this is concerning matters on physics that regarding on priorities. Okay, so how it's gonna work, on this particular ragdoll, if it's gonna work on collision, okay, how is it gonna work, right? The actual algorithm for that, okay, it's like this. Suppose if I get this character to fall, this is the actual default, it's falling, right? So and then suppose if you build a function, right? You make a box somewhere here, box here, box here. That box is gonna, have the ability to make a character when she falls, she's gonna get up. You put a function get up, and if she's falling backside like that, like this, right? And then when you press a button, she's gonna get up, straight, standing on her post, and then that algorithm is automatically going to handle collision. That's the way. If she's got hit, that get up algorithm is running, it's going to handle the hit, and then that's just a frontal hit. But if you want to, like a back hit, like someone hit behind here, right, and you want to retaliate on that, right? So if you add another force here, just small force, she's gonna, lean forward and she's gonna fall forward, and then set that algorithm to get up on the backside. So she's gonna have a handle the what they call collision on the front and collision on the back. So now this is the matter of considering priorities. I'm telling you this how it should work simply because I'm not going that way. Okay. Because of this part right here. Yeah, this part right here. This is I'm calling it the SSE unit, the self-sustainable energy unit. So this is what's powering the suit. Okay, so when this is powering the suit, it is a self-sustainable unit. It has a force field around it, and that force is affecting the gravity. Okay, so when it's affecting the gravities, it's even though it's like telling that if she was in another planet, and the gravity is different, and that this part right here is gonna, make the gravity as same as the Earth. That's the priority I'm going for. So when I'm going on that priority, I'm not gonna go on the position where she's falling and then she has to get up. No, means that if she falls, means she's dead. Means means that the health bar is 0. That's my priority. Okay. Sometimes when you play a fighting game, you hit. There's too much hit, and then the character's gonna fall. If you're going on that way, and the algorithm that gonna works for it, it should be like that. When she falls, she has to get up, but that get up is gonna go on the physics sense. That's the way. But if it's not a priority, then don't think about it. What is the priority and go for it. That's how. Yeah.